Let's walk through the most important phase of a woman's life, be it the first period and the changes around it. So, this is called adolescence. It's the most dangerous and the most important phase in a woman's life. Hello, I'm Dr. Apurva, consultant obstetrician and gynecologist from Kiran Multispeciality Hospital, Karmangal. Adolescence is a phase where a woman's body undergo a lot of hormonal changes, not just physically, but also emotionally and psychologically. Adolescence is divided into early adolescence, middle adolescence, and the late adolescence. The different aspects of each phase have an impact on the long term effects. So, early adolescence is a phase before a woman attains menarche and a year later. So the early phases in the physical changes like early breast budding, growth of the pubic and the axillary hair, and the growth spurt which happens, these all happen in the early adolescence. And middle adolescence is the ages between 4 to 16 years of age where the hormones are at rage. So this is a phase where she goes through a lot of emotional changes and a lot of physical changes secondary to the hormones. So there is a gradual increase in self-esteem. There is gradual shift per se in the growth of the girl. Like there are the development of secondary sexual characters, there is a development of regular cycles, there are different changes happening through it, and this is a phase which is most important while addressing the menstrual problems. And the late adolescence is a phase where everything is calming down and she reaches a stage of emotional stability where there is stability in every other aspect also. So this is a phase where they need to be taught about reproductive changes, contraception, which have long-term effects like the obesity, PCOS. Usually this is a phase where the cycles become regular, but if there are any other associated factors like the polycystic ovaries, or if there is obesity, if there is sleep issues, if there are anxiety issues, all these issues will have an effect on her mental health.